we are using Skite software, that is SCITE. Okay. Now this is Skite editor. Here we are supposed to type program, and then there are different languages that this text editor supports, and these are the languages. C is one of them. C, C++, Java is there. It also support Python, and then from tools compile and go. This is to compile the program. This is to run the program. All these commands are inbuilt in this text editor, and this text editor is available for Windows platform also, and Ubuntu Linux also. Now we are going to create a program here. So first of all, let's see basic structure of a C program. This is first line that I have written between these two symbols, forward slash and asterisk, and these two asterisk and forward slash. So when we write something between these two symbols, it is called a comment, and comment are not interpreted by compiler. So we do not get anything in output about this comment. Okay, it is just for documentation part, that is for increasing readability of your program code. Then comes, this is hash include stdio.h. So here we are including standard input output header file. .h stands for header file, and this stdio stands for standard input output. Okay, and we write the file name between two angular brackets, and this is the keyword to include a header file. Okay, and since this is a keyword, we have to write it as it is. That means C language is case sensitive, so we are supposed to write this in small letters only. If we change any letter from small to capital or the whole word in capital, then it will not work. And this hash is called preprocessor directive. This is preprocessor directive. So before running the program, this file is included in the program. Okay. Then comes main. Main is the first user defined function in our C program. Each C program has one and only one main function. Okay. So main function comes only once in a C program, and a main function has its scope. This is called scope of main function, from opening curly bracket to closing curly bracket. Okay, between these two curly brackets we define this main function, and this is called user defined function. Now we are going to create a program that display a simple text. So this I have written here, printf. This is printf inbuilt function to get the output on the screen. Okay, and whatever you write between two quotes in this parenthesis, after printf there is parenthesis, and in this parenthesis between double quotes, okay, this and this, whatever you write, you get it as it is in output. So printf function is for output, and this is semicolon. So each C statement ends with a semicolon sign. Okay, so this this whole sentence is called a C statement. So we are ending it with a semicolon. Then comes return 0. And this is return. Return 0 means now the program code is over and we are transferring our control again to main function. Okay, so this is called an exit statement. And now the next thing is to save the program. So file, save, and name of program. For example, I am giving name as first and then dot C. This is extension. First, that is program name dot C. So all C files are having C extension dot C. Save it, and then how to run this program? Go to compile command prompt, that is your terminal. It's like your terminal window in Ubuntu Linux. Then GCC command is to compile a C program. Now what is compilation? Compilation in a programming is a process to convert your code into machine readable code. So since we know that computer can read only zeros and ones, okay, and this program is in our natural language, uh, for example English language, and we have used special symbols here: hash, angular bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, quote, semicolon, etc. Okay, so all these cannot be directly understood by computer or executable by computer. So it has to be converted into machine readable form. So when we compile our program, okay, our program is converted into machine readable form. Okay, so GCC is command to convert this to compile this program, then first dot C. So let's see what output you are supposed to get here. Okay, so output of this program is what? This. Welcome to the world of C programming. Now this is one simple program wherein uh, there are no input. Okay, a program can have zero or more input, but it must have one output. Okay, so this is output. One output we are getting here, and we do not have any input here.